everyone, it's me Ice, and today I want to talk about some of the items here that I bought a couple days ago. As you guys seen, I did buy the Dr. Jar collagen mask. I really liked it, and I know I mentioned some of the items I got, but I have just a few things here that I also bought that I want to talk about. And also I received my shipment from the Huda Beauty website. So of course you guys know that I love the original formula of the Huda Beauty foundation. So I got two more, which is in my stuff, and it came with 2 samples of the Wishful scrub. So I think I may try that, but I may not. I don't know why, because I had a bit of a breakout and I want to take care of that first, but I like my skin routine. You guys already know what I do. Today I'm gonna do my makeup with some of the items I have here. So I already prepped my face. It's the same items you always see, and I prepped my face. So now I'm gonna go in with foundation, which is this. I just use like 1 pump because that's all you need. And I'm gonna get my Huda Beauty sponge. Huda Beauty sponge. And I'm just gonna dot that all over my face. Alright, so I have the LA Girl concealer on my face, and then that's it. So one of the first items I want to show you that I bought is 2 products from Kiehl. So I bought their butter mask. It's a butter mask for lips overnight lip treatment, and I've been using it, and it's really nice, and it is buttery. It feels really smooth. It's really nice in the texture, very shiny, as you can see. I wear it every night with my 2 other products that you guys already know. The next product I have here is the KIEHL'S Creme de Corpse. Here it is. This is the body lotion that I purchased. It feels good. It's not sticky, but it makes your skin like very glowy. It makes your skin glowy, and I tried it and I wore it after I took a shower. So I put some on my arms, I put some on my legs, and my skin was very moisturized. It lasted like pretty much all day, and it was really nice to have your skin nice and just glistening, and I recommend it. So I got this size, and I'll put the price down below. And you get rewards from KIEHL'S, and I've been with their program. I'll put all the details below, but I recommend this and I really like it. If you are into body lotions, I think this is something you should definitely try out. It feels great, it's not sticky, and it makes you look very moisturized. So this is a yes for me. So the next item I want to talk about while I bake is a product I buy at Target a lot. It is a beauty sponge that I use, similar to the one I'm using right now from Huda, but this one's very affordable, and I've used this sponge. I'm sure you guys are aware of Sonia Kasich. I am sorry if I'm like mispronouncing the name, but it is a beauty sponge that I use a lot. Before I bought the one from Huda Beauty, I would buy that one a lot, and I had to restock on it because it is one of my favorite sponges to use beauty wise, besides the Huda Beauty one that I'm using right now. This one's like my favorite sponge, and I highly recommend you guys to get it because it does such a wonderful job, and it'll make your skin look like nice, and I mean the product will apply on beautifully. I was gonna say lovely, but very beautifully. and I will show you after I bake which one I'm talking about. Let me just smooth this out a little bit. I love these sponges. They're so good. They last a long time, and I just love how it feels. It feels very good, and it applies my makeup beautifully. Before, I would just keep buying these, and this was the last one I saw at my store, but I really like it. So for my eyeshadow today, I am going to use two Pat McGrath palettes. One was a sample from Sephora. I don't think they have these anymore, but these are really pigmented and they're really beautiful. This is the Eye Ecstasy Sublime eyeshadow palette. I love these. These are really beautiful. As you can see here, I'm going to be using this with a combination of the I think this is the Mothership 2, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I forgot the number, but this is the palette. I love this palette. Both of these palettes are gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and get a blending brush and apply. Look how beautiful that is. You see what I'm saying? Just stunning. So this is what I have so far. I know my camera's a little bright, but it's a lot darker than what it is, so you'll see in a minute. So I want to also talk about another product that I bought from Sephora. It is a sample size of the Giorgio Armani My Way. It smells like a sweet floral candy. Very floral, very sweet. It reminds me of like high school when, like, I don't know, kind of like Victoria's Secret, like that era of like sweet smells. I don't know how to say it, because when I was in high school, a lot of the girls would get like Victoria's Secret fragrances and lotions, and at school they would just lather it and put in their hair. This reminds me of that time. It's very sweet, but not like candy sweet. It's like a floral sweet. I don't know how to describe it. That's the best I could put it, because it's very gardeny, very feminine. It's like very feminine. It is beautiful, but it's okay. It's not my favorite, but I went ahead and bought it because you never know. You never know when you're gonna go out and, you know, you want to smell a little nice. I thought it smells, it's very nice, but I recommend maybe spraying like two spritz of these, because it's very strong. And yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's not my favorite, but it's nice to have. And I recommend getting, I mean, if you're into that sweet floral scent, feminine, girly, womany, I say girly, not womany, but girly smell, it's definitely something if you want to consider, get this one. But I think I'm better off with my Gucci Bloom. It is absolutely beautiful, and I got a lot of compliments from Gucci Bloom because it's not too much. It's very lingering, but like a mysterious linger, and it's beautiful. It's not too much. It's just right. It smells good in every occasion. I got a lot of compliments from that scent at my job, and I recommend it to anyone. When I went to Sephora, it was gone. It was sold out. If you're at Sephora, please ask for a sample of a sample spray of the Gucci Bloom, and you'll see. I recommend that one 100%. But this one, if you're a girly and you like to smell cute, get this. Some of my eyes for the top part, and I took out the powder So the next product I want to talk about, the last product, is these Mcgrath Lip Glosses. I have two glittery ones that are gorgeous. Lush Gloss, Pale Fire Nectar, and Bronze Divinity. And I have sample sizes too that are not glittery. But this is just, the packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. It is so pretty, and it's glittery. And that's the application right there. It's glittery and beautiful and fiery. It is gore to the chest. I just love it so much. And I'll show you the other one that I have. Ooh, look at that. It's very glittery. That's very golden goddessy type. It's just, I'm gonna try both of it. So the eyes are Mcgrath and the lip gloss are Mcgrath. I have like my holy trinity of products. It's Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury, Huda Beauty, and Mcgrath are like the girls. They are fucking good, and I love them so much. And of course now I'm gonna bronze my face. You guys know how I do that. I did a video on how I bronze fast, so you guys, it's on my channel, you could check it out. See how quick that is. And don't worry, I bake so things could even out. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Don't mind my baby hairs. I'm gonna like make it curly or whatever, but I hope you liked my list of things that I got recently. I hope you guys enjoyed that this quick video on items that I've purchased recently that I really like, and I think you should give it a try. And thank you so much for watching. And if you see anything that I use that you want more info on, just let me know. And thank you for watching. Thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.